What if I told you that scientists are contemplating some of the most bizarre, mind-blowing ideas to save Earth from a potential apocalypse? Imagine an asteroid the size of the Eiffel Tower, hurtling toward our planet, with the power to unleash destruction we can barely handle. That's Apophis, the god of chaos. While experts race against time, some of their plans sound like something out of a sci-fi blockbuster. But here's the twist. One of these ideas is so insane, so daring, it'll leave you questioning reality itself. And we'll reveal it as the grand finale. Let's take a look into them one by one. A fresh coat of paint to stop an asteroid. Sounds absurd, right? But painting Apophis white could increase its reflectivity, altering how sunlight pushes against it. This method, known as the Yarkovsky effect, might slightly nudge its trajectory over time. But could this cosmic paint job really save us, or is it just a colorful pipe dream? What if we used sunlight as a weapon? Scientists have suggested deploying massive space mirrors to focus sunlight on Apophis. The concentrated heat could create jets of vaporized material that would act like mini rocket boosters, steering the asteroid off course. Ambitious? Definitely. Feasible? Well, let's just say NASA's still crunching the numbers. When all else fails, bring out the big guns. Blowing up Apophis with a nuclear bomb might sound like the ultimate Hollywood solution, but here's the twist. It could turn one big problem into thousands of smaller, radioactive ones. Still, some argue that a well-placed detonation could push Apophis onto a safer trajectory. Risky? Absolutely. Using gravity tractors. No explosions here, just good old-fashioned physics. A gravity tractor is a spacecraft that flies close to an asteroid, using its own gravitational pull to slowly tug the rock off its deadly path. It's like towing a cosmic trailer, except the hitch takes years to work. Could this much patience save our planet? Why not give Apophis its own set of rocket engines? Engineers propose strapping boosters onto the asteroid to push it away from Earth. The catch? Getting them there without crashing ourselves. And of course, there's the minor issue of ensuring the engines don't accidentally steer it closer to us. This idea is as wild as it sounds, bouncing smaller asteroids or spacecraft off Apophis to knock it off course. Think of it like cosmic billiards, with Earth as the pool table. The precision required is mind-boggling, but if calculated correctly, it could work. The downside? There's no room for error in this galactic game. What if Apophis could sail its way out of danger? Attaching a massive reflective sail to the asteroid would allow sunlight to push it into a safer orbit. While it sounds like a plot from a sci-fi novel, solar sails are a real technology. But would this work on something as colossal as Apophis? Why go to space when we can fight from the ground? Some scientists propose using powerful ground-based lasers to vaporize parts of Apophis's surface, creating thrust to shift its trajectory. It's a futuristic take on pew-pew, but the energy requirements are staggering. Could we arrange enough power to save the planet? This one's straight out of the box. Enveloping Apophis in reflective material, like foil, to manipulate its thermal properties and subtly alter its path. It's essentially gift-wrapping the asteroid, but instead of a present, it's a potential apocalypse. Stylish, but would it work? And now, the craziest idea of them all. What's wilder than using one asteroid to stop another? This plan involves capturing a smaller asteroid and sending it on a collision course with Apophis. It's the ultimate cosmic showdown, requiring insane precision and coordination. If executed perfectly, it might just be Earth's savior. But what happens if we miscalculate? The stakes are astronomical, literally. So, which of these ideas do you think could actually save us from Apophis? Or do you have a wild idea of your own? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.